Welcome to Bruhan Mumbai Municipal Corporation's Virtual Training Center, and I am Mrs. Snehal Kodambe, your English teacher from VTC. Let's begin with today's session. See children, I know you all are very fond of listening the stories. When there is a story time, you all are very happy. If someone tells you that I am going to tell you the story, you gather around that person and you listen it very carefully. So, in today's session, I have brought you a very nice story of a small girl of your age. But before listening the story, one thing I'll tell you, that in today's session you are not just going to listen the story, but we are going to do one more thing. What is that? Just read the activity. We are going to do one activity. I'll read it for you. Listen carefully and read with me. आजच्या भागात ही जी गोष्ट आपण ऐकणार आहोत ती तुम्ही ऐकायची तर आहे आणि माझ्याबरोबर वाचायची सुद्धा आहे. बघा तुमच्या पुस्तकात तुम्हाला मराठीत इन्स्ट्रक्शन दिलेली आहे. लक्षपूर्वक ऐका आणि वाचा. So you all are going to listen the story carefully and you all will read with me. Okay? So let's see what is this story is and what is the title of the story and what story is going to tell us. So here you can see one finger, and in that arrow I have written at a time. Means this is the title of the story, One Thing at a Time. Read it with me. One thing at a time. एका वेळेला एकच गोष्ट. One thing at a time. Okay, so let's begin with the story. And remember that you will listen and read with me. So this is the reading activity. There was a girl. Her name was Priya. You can see Priya here in this picture. I'll read it once again. There was a girl. Her name was Priya. Priya liked sweets. Priya liked sweets. We all like sweets, isn't it? Sweets means chocolates, toffees. We will read that sentence once again. Priya liked sweets. Her granny had a jar full of sweets. You can see in the picture Priya's granny is sitting there on a chair and in front of her there is a jar full of sweets. Her granny had a jar full of sweets. She gave Priya one sweet at a time. Read with me. She gave Priya one sweet at a time. She gave Priya one sweet at a time. We will read the full sentence. She gave Priya one sweet at a time. But look at the Priya. But Priya wanted more. Many more. Priya was not just happy with only one sweet. She wanted more. Many more. Then what did Priya do? See here. She quickly put her hand in the jar of sweets. She took 1, 2, 5, 10 and many. She quickly put her hand in the jar of sweets. She took 1, 2, 5, 10, many. When she looked at the jar Then she thought that I'll eat so many sweets at a time. So she quickly put her hand in the jar of sweets and she took 1, 2, 5, 10 and many. Then what happened? We'll read it. But her hand was stuck in the jar. But her hand was stuck in the jar. She could not take it out. You can see in the picture. Her hand was stuck in a jar. She began to cry. She got afraid and she began to cry. Read there. She began to cry. Oh, what shall I do? She started crying. What she said? Read with me. Oh, what shall I do? Her granny was sitting in the chair. She was watching what Priya was doing. What did Granny say? Let's read it. Let go of the sweets. Granny told her, let go of the sweets. You leave some sweets. You leave those sweets in the jar. Let go of the sweets. Read the dialogue of the granny. Let go of the sweets. So, Priya's granny asked her to go to leave some sweets in the jar. Then what happened? Let's read. Priya let go of some sweets. Still, her hand would not come out. She let go of some more sweets. Now, there was only one in her hand. Her hand came out of the jar easily. When her granny asked her to let go of some sweets, then she didn't leave all the sweets. So, her hand would not come out. Then she let go of some more. When there was only one in her hand came out of the jar easily. She began to smile. You can see here. And read with me. She began to smile and looked at her granny. She began to smile and looked at her granny. Granny smiled too. So both of them, they are smiling here. Granny smiled too. Then Priya said, read that. Then Priya said, now I will take only one at a time. What Priya said? Now I will take only one at a time. That's what Priya decided there. So this was the story of Priya and her granny and sweets. Now let's read the story in full. Priya likes sweets. You read with me or you can read after me. Priya liked sweets. Her granny had a jar full of sweets. She gave Priya one sweet at a time. But Priya wanted more. Many more. She quickly put her hand in the jar of sweets. She took 1, 2, 5, 10, many. But her hand was stuck in the jar. She could not take it out. She began to cry. Oh, what shall I do? Let go of the sweets, said her granny. Priya let go of some sweets. Still, her hand would not come out. She let go of some more sweets. Now there was only one in her hand. Her hand came out of the jar easily. She began to smile and looked at her granny. Granny smiled too. Priya said, now I will take only one at a time. So that was the message given to you all by Priya, that only one thing at a time, no greediness. Okay, so this was the story of Priya and sweets. The name of the story, we have read it in the beginning, only one thing at a time. So that's all for today. See you in next session with new story. That's all for today. So you will revise whatever we have learned in today's session. Please subscribe the channel and press the notification button to get the link of next video. Bye bye.